I'm so very, very useful friend and sister. Who was the troublemaker between us growing up? And why? Why? What's the lesson you learned from me?
Enjoy your life to the fullest.
Yun yung na-lesson mo from me?
From you.
Hindi na to podcast pa. Mag-aaway na po. Hello everyone, it's Faity and let's talk about random topics with my best friend and my sister. Okay, first question. First question. First question. And first question natin ko sa inyo is, what's your earliest memory of us together?
First tayo
year. First year ba? Hindi. Tagal.
Elementary days.
Kasi dyan kasi mo.
We're here.
Ay. Ako, elementary days. Yung, di ba magka-schoolmate sila Hopia at Ate Banan?
Oo.
Sinasama pa ako. May nakikita kita.
Ano
Mga picnic! Ate Shari. Sila Ate Shari, di ba? Nagpapapiknik sila.
Ikaw nakikita na kita noong pumupunta ka sa Amado.
Basta.
Earliest
Elementary days.
days.
How about you?
But we're not yet friends.
How about you, my sister?
When I was not.
When I was born? Ang dagarot ba yung nunot mo? Hindi kaya ako.
Elementary days.
Okay. Next, elementary days. Pero hindi pa kami mag-friend-friend nun.
Yeah.
Ano lang. My sister's friend of friend.
Town.
Okay, second question is, who was the troublemaker between us growing up? And why? Why? Ba't ako?
I was a good girl.
Why me?
Was? Hindi na mabait ngayon.
Was lang? Why me?
Good girl lang ako.
Unfair. Bakit dating ka talaga po? Kadkadwaan ka
Okay.
pa?
Okay,
Why? Why? Dapat aditi kasama. Reason na why me. Why? Kapag nga troublemaker mo. Hello? Hindi na to podcast pa. Mag-aaway na po. Okay, third question. What was the most embarrassing thing that happened to us as a kid?
Kayong dalawa.
What's the most embarrassing? Data, hindi a friend and best friend. High
Nakakahiya.
school. Yeah.
Ginawa dapat na ba tayo kakahiya? Wala naman very...
What? Very demure. Very classy, di ba?
We're very good students naman noon.
Ano ba?
Lagi tayong pretty-praise.
Wala. Dagi classmate me, yung mga classmate namin nung high school. As of now, katawan ti malagip mi nga. So please, hanyo lat nga barbara to. Ada ba? Oh,
Pasaway ba tayo? Yeah. Achievers tayo? Hindi humble. Talaga.
Ada, DJ. Ang kasali ka ba, DJ?
Anong ginawa niyo?
Iniyaban na tayo, DJ, kasi sa office na.
Bakit?
Aman. Oh, bay, aman. Cut. Uy,
Ano?
what's the most embarrassing happened to us?
Ano ka di? Malagi.
Abay, we're so, you're so plain and so bait.
Playing safe.
Uy,
Awan, garod malagi po. Daka di.
ang nayatan. Awan talaga, random. Oh my God. Okay, what's one lesson you learned from me and when we were kids? Wag na yung kids. What's the lesson you learned from me? Oh, Chika first.
Ay, from you?
Yeah, what's the lesson you learned from me?
Enjoy your life to the fullest.
Yun yung na-lesson mo from me?
From you.
Why? Uy! Okay, what?
Sa, lahat ng experience mo this past recent years, yun yung pinaka-main.
Guys, you enjoy your life to the fullest kasi you will never know kung kailan ka kukunin ni Papa God.
And be grateful and thankful for all the people you're surrounded with.
That's me. Oy, sige. What's the lesson you learned from me?
Maging palaban.
Oy, ano?
True.
Ano ba ito talaga? Ano? Ano? What? Strong. Oh.
Maging palaban daw sa'yo. Dapat di niya siya binubuti. Hindi porket bunso. Char.
Be strong, be strong, be strong. Okay. Lahat-lahat ng pagsubok. You should be strong. O, diba?
Coming from Katie.
Dahil yung mga lesson nila from me. O, diba? I'm so very, very useful friend and sister.
Inspiring.
Okay. What was our favorite thing to do together?
Gumala. Gumala. Joyride.
Joyrides, yeah. Lalo nung high school. How about you? Tagapa? Tagalog.
Mag-away.
Mag-away. Favorite thing. Every day.
Bardagulan.
Bardagulan.
That's the right term.
Bardagulan. Sister,
Anytime.
every day. Every seconds, every minute, every hour, every... Hello, wait. Okay. Next question. What do you think makes our relationship stronger? Agla ko. Sorry. Ayun, yung bardagulan. Baka gamin don't take it negative yung bardagulan. Kasi
Banding
dapat,
lang yun,
yeah,
talaga
it's our
naman.
bonding.
Ganin din po yung
And that makes,
relationship ko sa sisters ko.
yeah, and that makes
Hindi lang
us
po sila.
stronger. Kesa naman yung mga mag-sibling hindi nag-aaway pero ngayon yung loob nila sa isa't isa.
Yeah.
Aba, may mga ganun, di ba? Hindi sila open sa isa't isa.
Yeah.
They just quiet.
Quiet.
Nakamigamin ka,
Open.
bardagulan, open na. Ano kakayat mga ibag ako to rila sakit ko. Ibagalat pa.
Prangkahan na to.
Okay, next. Tagalog. Do you think our bond as sister is different from our friendship? Do you think our bond as a sister is strong? Latandijay, is strong? Strong ba tayo, sis?
Mukha naman. Mukha naman.
Strong ba tayo?
Hindi na matitibag ang pag-aaway ninyo.
Strong ba tayo? Hoy,
Forever na kayong ganyan.
tabing ng ansaran. Kita mo nagbarbar dagulan kami. Ano na ansaran? Unknown. Alam, siya.
Fake sister.
Oh, how about us? Do you think our bond is strong?
Of course.
Why? And how? What? Why?
The way I feel, the way I think, we're strong enough yung relationship natin. Ikaw ba? Sa tingin mo, magbe-break pa ba
Hindi
ng
lang
friendship
strong,
na to?
very, very strong.
Parang siguro, magbe-break na lang to kapag patay na.
Very true, very true. So next question. What is the best advice you've given me? In-advise ko kanya. Ano yung in-advise niya sa akin?
Dapat ikaw
Na
yung
best.
tatanungin. What is the best advice na binigay na namin?
I'm
sa'yo?
loading.
Masyado bang marami?
So much to handle.
Ikaw
Well,
mag-decide ano yung the
yun na
best.
lang yung pinaka-reason just earlier. Ano, DJ Doctor? Advice is,
Ano ba yan?
advice ba yung
Yung
God's timing?
God's perfect time.
God's perfect timing. God's perfect timing will come. Yun. How about you, girl? Anong advice? In-advice na false pregnancy. That's the advice. This is the recent advice. Don't be umasa. Huh? Okay, next. What's the funniest inside joke we share that no one else gets?
Meron ba?
Ano
Meron
isa?
ba tayo?
About sa tatay. Ano? Ano?
Parang wala tayong ganun, Faith.
Inside joke. Nadatay lang ti maka-gets. Wait lang, kasi ako malagit.
Parang
Okay.
wala tayong ganun.
What's one thing you love about me that I might not know? Ano yung love? Ano yung nagustuhan
You
niyo
might
sa
not
akin
know?
or love niyo sa akin na hindi ko alam?
You might not know, but I
Yeah.
think you do know every
Siyempre,
strengths
ko lang.
mo.
Tell it.
You know that you're strong, you're very valuable, very supportive. Ano ba, yung hindi mo alam sa sarili mo, alam mo yung strengths mo eh. That's one of your strengths as well. You take advantage of your strengths to the fullest and you don't hesitate to use them. That's why you're strong.
That's
Inspiring.
it's coming from Chika. How about you? Ano yung love na lang? Ano bilang mo ang mga... Ano? Bay, no?
Same
Same,
very
diba?
supportive
Ala,
sister.
iba ka naman na iba.
Amo?
Ano mo ito na? Same, iba ka na. Ano ka di?
Ano ba yung pinaka na-appreciate mo sa ate mo na lang? Aside sa
That I don't,
bardagulan
that I
niyo.
don't know. Wag sangit ko. Ano?
Emotional hormones.
Shorten the paragraph. Wah! Ano? Ano ba yan?
Give her time. Ikaw naman, emotional daw.
Ako? Ano yung tugtog na lagyan namin ng tugtog? Na. Okay. Patalastas muna. Let's drink tea.
Kanina ko pa inuubos yung
Oh. Hala. Ganun pero Pilipino. Ano supportive? Tapos? Kasi? Awan follow up question tayo. Kung napapagsagitan na mo nga nakasangsangit eh.
Grabe, namimiss ko tuloy yung mga ate ko.
Okay. I'm very supportive. Okay, next question. Okay.
Ano ba?
What's one challenge we faced together that made us stronger? Sino muna? Ano yung challenge na inarap natin that made us stronger? Okay, Glory first. What? Nagpanunod ka kay Chika.
Friendship test sa atin?
Oh. That, ano ti hinarap ka that made us stronger?
Baka maybe nung college, nung hindi ako masyadong nagre-reply, pero parang you got me that at the end of our college days na, di ba? Parang naintindihan nyo na lang ako na hindi ako ganun. Medyo may tampo-tampo pa kayo nung una sa akin.
And that made us stronger?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Kasi parang,
Next.
syempre wala yung constant communication before, di ba naninibago tayo sa
Set up.
new
natin.
chapter of our lives,
College days.
university days. And then you met new friends, and I met new friends, and we're not yet tayo nga.
Nagkulang
Constant.
kami sa time sa isa't isa, but
Pero every time
it
ako
doesn't,
umuwi,
yeah. Pag umuwi kami sa probinsya,
ah,
every day, halos every day,
like, almost immediately, parang
picnic.
Ganun yung friendship kasi natin.
Yeah.
Never,
Low maintenance friendship.
not hard to maintain. Kaya,
Walang sometimes walang communication, pero pag nagsama-sama na, very solid. Okay, next. Hoy, sika. Ano kami di question?
yung,
Yung challenge natin together. Ano ba? Challenge that made us stronger. Wala na. Ano lang, family related. Oh, ano?
something private that they don't want to disclose
Okay,
at the
it's a
moment.
private matter, guys. Na bawal nang i-chismis dahil alam kong pag napanood nyo to, i-chismis nyo din naman. Wala na kaming privacy, if ever. Privacy! So, have we ever had a big fight? How did we get through it?
No? Meron ba tayong away na parang kay Tati sa'yo? Parang wala ever naman.
Kati!
Pero may tampuhan kaya kayo. I mean like, to the point na parang biglang mawawala yung communication. Dahil sa tampuhan. Parang wala namang ganun. May ganun ba tayo?
Tampuhan, dama panunutog. Baka DJ na i-mention natin di college. Nung
Yun na
college
yun.
kami, yun na yun.
Yun
Yung
lang,
tampuhan
guys.
namin. Wala nang time sa isa't isa and
Yeah.
she's always busy.
We're always.
Tapos,
were-
alam ko pa yung isa, hindi lang pala isa.
Ano yun?
Yung nag-amper siya yung nag-promise kaming magbe-best friend na kami yung magsasama-sama pupuntang amper.
Okay,
And then,
I admit.
out of nowhere, mas nauna mo siya.
I admit my fault.
Ayan. Promise breaker. How about
Once
you?
lang po yun.
How about
Grabe
you?
naman.
What's our big fight every day? Big fight.
Hindi mo tinapad ang pangako.
Hala, nagbayag. Very kind. Things lang. Ayun. It's a
Mababaw
minor fights.
Why?
Nakadamdaman. Ay, sige ba? Oh, how do we support each other when life gets tough? How do we support each other?
By being there, not just physically, but emotionally.
Presence.
Yeah. Just make
Presence
sure
of
that
friendship and
yeah,
sister.
your friend who needs you feels your presence.
Personally, I need a presence. Okay, next. How do you think our relationship will evolve as we get older?
Stronger.
Strong. Ay, last. Stronger. Yun lang. Ano? Ulit. Ulit.
Magandang giant, stronger.
About our relationship.
Gusto mo maging marupok pa? Maging strong naman na by the way.
Oh,
Stronger.
okay, last 5. If we could go on all expenses paid trip, where would we go?
That's what I was asking you earlier. Saan tayo next?
To be announced. How about you? Where do you want to go?
Switzerland.
Switzerland? Aba, ang layo ah. Okay, what's your favorite memory with me that still makes you laugh?
Love? Ay.
Too many to mention. Just mention one. One. Na. Yun.
It doesn't make me laugh. It just makes me smile.
What?
Naginayo ko kami. Ano? Yung pagbabalik. Pinagandalin si Tani Boy. Ano? Pumunta, makikipagbalikan ka kay Tani. Ay! Natatawa tuloy ako. Sabi ko, smile lang.
Okay, that was 2017. Hello, Tani Boy. Yung first,
Official breakup niyo ba yun?
Sa, uy, one, hindi siya one. Kali.
Too many to mention na daw.
Wala, just one.
Tataylat na na.
May patublock. Nadapa daw ako kanina. Just the reason, nadapa. Oh,
Every time na lang.
if you could describe our friendship in one word, what would it be?
One word?
One word only.
Comfort.
Comfort. How about you as a sister? What's our describe in one word? Ala, nagbayag. Okay.
Challenging. Challenging ka ka.
loading na kami.
Siyempre,
What?
pinag-iisipan.
Nagbayag, oh. Oh. Ano?
Ulit naman?
Describe our relationship in one word.
Drive ako. Wala, hindi niya ma-describe yung relationship niyo.
True.
Too complicated.
Nagbayag, oh.
Dapat yung insecure.
What?
Tawat-tawat.
Ala, nagbayag. Ana?
Ito, challenging.
Tinulad na yung baga ni Chico. Challenging. Okay, last two. If we were in a reality TV show, what would it be called?
PBB? Ay, hindi.
Ano?
PBB yan? Parang ganun.
Reality show. Anong title natin?
I'm not good at giving titles.
Kahit random na lang. Na funny.
Reality TV.
Reality TV. Oh, sige.
Family Feud.
Family Feud. Okay, last. Who's the better cook or organizer between us? Oh,
Ay,
syempre siya ako.
siyempre, ikaw na. Ikaw yung may business ng restaurant eh.
Pasyak ka no, no? At the end, ako yung winner. Oh,
Final
okay.
choice.
Ako kanina yung binabab, ngayon tinayo. Oh, tinayo ulit. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just don't forget to like, share, and follow me or
Ma-upload talaga to.
subscribe. Just find Faithy and you'll find me. Okay, that's it. Bye.
Enjoy.
Bye.
I hope you learned something.